have Matt and Doug, who actually came in first place in this challenge, didn't you?
All right, so we're here to show you our really simple game we made on top of the Numenta pictures thing. It's really simple, and it's on the website here. You can play it straight off the website, and it uses a Numenta server somewhere. But the internet being what it is, it's actually a lot faster if you play it off your own machine. So have that here. Ooh, I have sound, but whatever. So the game's called Drawn in 60 Seconds, and it basically just ignore me. Okay, how's it going? It basically just takes the pictures example, and then instead of drawing whatever you want, the computer tells you what to draw, and that makes it a game. So we have a couple levels, and each level operates under the premise that you have to draw a set number of objects in 60 seconds or less. So I'm going to give it a shot here. First level is you just draw stuff. Pretty simple. It tells you what to draw. You hit submit. Oh, come on. And it's kind of hard to do on the touchpad. And if you get it right, you go on, and you just have to get 10 done. And this is really hard to do with the touchpad. So the name of the game basically becomes how fast can you draw a reasonable approximation of the object to satisfy the computer. So anyway, so this is the first level, and I'm running out of time. So I built in some cheats here so that I could show you some of the other levels. So we tried to make it more interesting by having different themes to the levels, and so this one's darkness, and it tells you what to draw, but then as you go to draw it, you can't see what you're doing. And then, so you're like desperately trying to draw, but you can't really see. This is gonna be real bad. Oh, there we go. And so this continues on, and we have other levels. Sweet. Anyway, cheating is really fun. So this level is called holes, and the idea here is that you can't draw in the holes, like it won't let you, and so you have to either draw around them or find empty spaces to draw stuff. All right, so I'm gonna do this, and then down here, and basically we're trying to get people to like experiment and not just try to trace exactly what they see, because they won't be able to in some cases. We have other levels. This one's kind of lame, but you have to like tell the marble where to go and be really patient. And there you go. Yeah, all right. That one's boring. This level is probably the hardest level. It's mirrored on what you do, and so okay. Oh no. All right, oh, dog. Jesus. Come on. I need some legs. Leg. Whatever, I'm just gonna make it really complicated. Yeah! Anyway, so that's that level. And then to top it off, we thought it would be fun to bring in a classic. So it's Etch-a-Sketch time, and we tried to make it confusing which one goes up and which one goes down. Although P is a pretty simple one to draw, but L, this is too easy. I'll skip that. But yeah, you get confused and whatever. So that's the end of the game. I'll cheat to win, and then I'm the best. All right. So since this is a drawing game, I thought it'd be funny if I drew my slides. So Drawn in 60 Seconds by Matt and Doug. In case you forgot, I'm Matt. He's Doug. And we're basically here because, probably like many of you, we loved On Intelligence. And when I read it, I was basically, I wanted to either somehow get involved or at least get Jeff to sign my copy of the book, maybe. You good? All right, sweet. So mission accomplished. So that's. Let me just tell you exactly how the game works a little bit. It's similar to the other guys. We have a Flash. The game itself is in Flash, and then it sends requests to a server. So here's basically what goes on. The game tells the person what to draw, and the player draws their very smooth image of the cat or whatever. And since the game's just Flash running in your browser, it obviously can't do the inferencing on it. So we send it over to the server, which I represent here as a jar floating in, or a brain floating in a jar. And that does the inferencing. And we don't send it over the smooth image. We just send it the pixelated standard 32 by 32 thing that the pictures demo runs on. And if the server sends back the right answer, then the player gets awarded appropriately. And that's pretty much it. So if anyone has any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. But that's all we got. Jeff.
So what's your next project? What are you guys working on?
Jeff asked what our next project was. Doug's going to go work at IBM. I applied for a position at my parents' house as a bum. We just graduated in the spring, so I don't know. Maybe we can make some more games for you guys or something.